Welcome to our comparison of Notion and Evernote, two powerful productivity tools. We will highlight their differences and similarities, helping you make an informed decision on which one might be the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. Notion's user interface is clean, modern, and highly customizable, allowing users to create a workspace that suits their taste. Evernote, on the other hand, has a simpler, more traditional interface, which may appeal to those who prefer straightforward, no-frills designs. Both are user-friendly, but your preference may depend on your desire for customization. Evernote uses a classic notebook stack note structure for organization. It's simple and intuitive. Notion, however, uses a more flexible structure with pages, databases, and blocks that can be customized to your needs. This flexibility can be more powerful, but also more complex to set up. Evernote shines in note-taking, web clipping, and document scanning. However, Notion offers a broader set of features, including project and task management, creating databases, and collaborative editing. If you need more than just note-taking, Notion might be the right choice. Notion offers robust collaboration features, allowing multiple users to edit and comment on documents in real time. Evernote also has collaboration features, but they are not as robust or user-friendly as Notion's. If collaboration is key for you, Notion might be more suitable. Evernote has a wider range of integrations with other apps and services, such as Google Drive and Microsoft Office. Notion, while it has fewer integrations, includes some unique ones like Figma and InVision. Depending on your workflow, the integration capabilities might influence your decision. Both Notion and Evernote offer free plans, but Notion's free plan is more generous, offering unlimited pages and blocks. Evernote's free plan limits you to 60 megabytes of uploads per month. Paid plans for both offer more features, but Notion's paid plans are generally cheaper. Evernote has superior offline access, with all notes available even without an internet connection. Notion, on the other hand, requires internet access for most of its features. If you often work without internet, Evernote could be a better choice. Evernote is generally faster and more reliable than Notion. Notion can sometimes be slow, especially with larger databases. If speed and reliability are key factors for you, Evernote might have the edge. Evernote's simpler design means it has a shorter learning curve. Notion, with its more complex and customizable features, requires more time to learn. Depending on how much time you're willing to invest in learning a new tool, this could be a deciding factor. In conclusion, both Notion and Evernote have their strengths and weaknesses. The choice between them depends on your specific needs and preferences. Thank you for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.